Craving for dessert? Don't worry, I got you covered. Sharing my low-carb tiramisu recipe. Pwede pa rin kumain ng sweet without feeling guilty. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Ito yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin. First is cream, or pwede kayong gumamit ng all-purpose cream, sour cream, and then cream cheese. At syempre, ang ating low-carb ladyfinger. Tara, simulan na natin. So we need 1 cup of cream. Again, pwede kayong gumamit dito ng all-purpose cream. Then, i-whip lang natin itong cream until maging ganito yung consistency niya. Next, ilalagay na natin yung cream cheese. So, make sure lang na room temperature yung gagamitin yung cream cheese para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-blend and hindi maging lumpy yung ating filling. Then, ilalagay na natin yung sour cream. Ito yung magbibigay ng tangy taste sa ating filling. Tapos, mix all together lang. Next, maglalagay ako ng 1/4 cup of stevia. Ito pala yung hindi ko na-include kanina sa ingredients. So, gradual adding of your stevia para ma-incorporate ng maayos yung stevia doon sa ating fillings. Then, scrape lang natin yung gilid using spatula or spoon kung anong available sa inyo para yung mga nasa gilid, maihalo din natin ng maayos. Then, it's done! Next step na gagawin natin ay mag-dissolve ng 1 tablespoon of coffee. Pwede na rin yung instant coffee into hot water. And then, i-mix lang natin. Dapat ma-dissolve lahat yung coffee powder. And then, mag-add na lang tayo ng cold water. Mix all together lang. And then, kukunin natin yung ladyfinger and ididip lang natin ito sa ating coffee. Tapos, ihilera lang natin siya doon sa ating lagayan. So, ganun lang, ididip and then ilalagay natin sa lagayan. Make sure lang na dipping lang yung gagawin nyo para hindi madurog agad yung ating ladyfinger. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin hanggang ma-fill natin yung ating first layer. And then, lalagyan na natin siya ng filling. Ang tip dito is maglagay ng generous amount of filling para mas masarap yung ating tiramisu. Now, we are done with our first layer. So, gagawin naman natin is yung second layer. Same procedure, ididip lang natin yung ladyfinger sa coffee and then ihilera lang natin siya sa lagayan. Ayan. So, next naman na gagawin natin is lalagyan natin ulit ng filling. So, spread mo lang ng maayos yung ating filling and then kapag okay na, lalagyan natin ito ng cling wrap or kung anumang takip na meron kayo kasi ilalagay natin to sa fridge. And i-chill natin to for 6 hours. After 6 hours, for sure, nakaset na ang ating tiramisu. Lalagyan na natin siya ng unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure to put generous amount of cocoa powder para mas maging malasa yung chocolate taste sa ating tiramisu. And don't worry dun sa mga edges na malalagyan natin ng cocoa powder kasi later pwede naman natin yan linisin using tissue or brush. So ayan, ready na ang ating tiramisu. And this is my most awaited time. Tikima na! Super yummy and tasty. Talagang perfect for dessert without feeling guilty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!